Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will cover control flow statement. So in last video I will cover built-in data structure. So in this video we will cover like if, elif, else, for, while, break, continue and pass, like different things in control flow in Python programming language. So first is conditional statement, if, elif, else. So here like we have yes equal to minus 15. So if we want to check condition like yes equal to 0, so here is not 0, so it will next go to elif condition. So yes greater than 0, so it will also not cover, so it will go in yes less than 0, so it will write, so here it will present minus 15 is negative, so we will get this output. But if this output will not correct, so it will print else parts, but in this condition we will get this output. So if I will run this, so it will print minus 15 is negative. So like this we can use different type of condition using if, elif and else condition. So next we will cover for loop. So like we have list of element, if you want to print different element, so we can print like this for n in list of elements. So it will iterate these elements and print using print statement using spaces. So we can also print 0 to 9 like this using range function. So we can also create list of element using 0 to 5 to 9. Like we can also iterate after 2 in 0 to using this. We can this is range. Next we will check how to write while loop in Python. So here is I equal to 0, then when it is true it will iterate till it will false. So like that you will get this. Next is break and continue statement. If you already learn C programming or Java, you will know that break statement used to break the any loop. Like this we have here, but here is continuous. So if number will be even, so it will not print, because here is condition, so it will continue without printing this number. So next is like break statement. If a is a mess, so we can use like this break statement. Next loop and else function. So we can also use after for loop we can use else. But if condition will be true, then else condition will be not executed. So like that we can also use else condition with the loop. So in this video we have covered if, else, elif, for loop, while loop and break statement, pass and continue. and range function. So I will provide this to Python notebook link so you can download and practice in local computer, and also you can use Colab for run this code. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you next video.